Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, it is definitely heating up across the region.
Just a little bit.
Yes.
Got a little taste of that yesterday before the storms arrived, and we're going to heat up even more as we get to the second half of this week. So I guess take advantage of today, even though it's still plenty hot today, before it gets real bad late this week. Let's take a look outside on our SkyCam network, brought to you by Thompson Roofing and Construction. Much quieter today compared to yesterday when many of us picked up some strong storms. We had hail falling in parts of Limestone, Madison, Morgan counties yesterday afternoon. Today looking a whole lot drier with a lot of blue sky out there on this Monday. 31 Triple Doppler is completely dry. Any green you see on the map there is just some radar clutter. So we are rain free across the board at this hour and mostly clear as well. Temperatures are pretty typical for this time of the year, upper 80s to low 90s. Muscle Shoals is awfully hot at 94 degrees. We're at 90 in Huntsville and 87 at this hour in Fort Payne. If you have plans to fire up the grill this evening, you're going to be in good shape with the weather staying dry. Temperatures will slowly fall to the mid 80s by 7 o'clock, and eventually we fall to 66 overnight tonight. Clear skies, seasonable temperatures, light winds expected for your Monday night. Here's how Tuesday is going to shake out, looking similar to today with mainly clear skies, virtually no chance of rain anywhere in North Alabama, and we're back at it with the hot temperatures into the low 90s we go in many spots. Around Sand Mountain, your highs will be in the upper 80s, 86 tomorrow in Rainsville, 88 in Scottsboro. Over to New Hope, your highs 89 degrees. Farther west, we're looking at low 90s again, 92 tomorrow in Huntsville, 90 in Athens, 92 in Moulton, as well as Russellville, and 92 your forecast high on Tuesday afternoon in Cherokee. Now, the good news about tomorrow is the humidity is going to drop a little bit with dew points likely in the low to mid 60s. So it won't be quite as oppressive out there tomorrow as it's been the past couple of days. And actually tomorrow is probably as good as it's going to get for the rest of this week, despite the fact that we are still going to see several spots reach the low 90s. As far as your rain chances go, there is virtually no chance over the next several days. Future radar showing a mainly clear sky throughout the day on Tuesday. More of that coming our way on Wednesday as well. Thursday, there is a 20% chance at thunderstorms, but more likely to stay dry in most spots. We're going to be watching for potential storms that develop in the Midwest that could track our way later in the day on Thursday. But odds are we are going to remain dry at that point. And at that point, that's when the heat is really going to build. Forecast highs on Wednesday look like this, low to mid 90s. Heat index gets close to 100 on Thursday. Actual temperatures will climb near 100 on Thursday afternoon, especially in northwest Alabama, 102 in Muscle Shoals, 100 in Decatur, 99 the forecast high in Huntsville. You factor in the rising humidity later this week, the heat index values will likely be in the 100 to 110 range from Thursday into Friday and again on Saturday. It's going to be several days of pretty extreme heat for North Alabama. So please know the symptoms of heat exhaustion versus heat stroke. This is the type of weather that can cause those type of issues. So we do want you to all be aware of the seriousness of this heat as it's heading our way. In fact, since it's going to be so hot, we have issued alert days for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday due to that excessive heat coming our way. The one thing that could prevent us from getting quite that hot, Nickel, is the slight chance at storms. It looks like as we head toward the weekend, we will have a better chance at stormy weather. And eventually, as we approach the 4th of July, we should start to cool back down a little bit.
We'll take that. We just don't want the storms to be too bad. But if it's going to cool us off a little bit, it's okay.
It's kind of a nice trade-off, yeah.